To achieve success, one of the most important parts of your day that has consistently shown significant performance improvements is your morning routine. Although this topic can be quite daunting and misleading, making it seem quite tough to get your life back together. What if I told you that there's a scientifically backed morning routine that could transform your life? A routine that not only sets the tone for a productive day, but also rewires your brain for long-term success and happiness. Imagine waking up every morning with a clear sense of purpose, ready to tackle challenges with confidence and energy. The best part? This routine is simple, actionable, and designed to fit into even the busiest schedules. Few people know about this approach, but those who do swear by its life-changing results. From top-performing athletes to successful entrepreneurs, this routine has been a cornerstone of their achievements. Before we dive in, take a moment to engage. Comment below with, "I'm ready to transform myself." Like this video to help spread these empowering ideas, and subscribe for more insights that guide you toward becoming the best version of yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have learned the one habit that separates achievers from dreamers. Your journey to becoming the best version of yourself starts right here, right now. The foundation of any great morning routine is consistency, and it starts with waking up at the same time every day. Why? Because your body thrives on routine. When you wake up at a consistent time, you regulate your circadian rhythm, your internal clock, which governs your energy levels, mood, and even digestion. Set an alarm for a time that allows you to complete your morning routine without rushing. To make waking up easier, consider placing your alarm across the room. This forces you to physically get out of bed using a sunrise alarm clock. These mimic natural light, making waking up less jarring. Avoiding screens before bed. Blue light disrupts melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. A consistent wake-up time trains your brain to associate mornings with energy and positivity, setting the stage for the rest of your day. The first thing your body needs after hours of sleep is hydration. Overnight, your body loses water through breathing and sweat, leaving you mildly dehydrated. This can contribute to morning grogginess and reduced mental clarity. Start your day by drinking a large glass of water, preferably with a slice of lemon for added vitamin C and a refreshing kick. Hydration jumpstarts your metabolism, aids digestion, and helps flush out toxins. Pro tip: keep a bottle of water on your nightstand so it's the first thing you see when you wake up. Before diving into the chaos of the day, take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for. Gratitude has been scientifically proven to boost happiness, improve mental health, and strengthen relationships. Grab a journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for. These don't have to be monumental. It could be as simple as a good night's sleep or the smell of coffee brewing. By starting your day with gratitude, you train your brain to focus on the positive, which can have a ripple effect on your entire day. Exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a powerful tool for mental clarity and emotional resilience. Morning movement, even if it's just 10 minutes, can release endorphins, reduce stress, and increase focus. Consider a quick yoga session to stretch and wake up your muscles, a brisk walk outside to soak up natural light, which helps regulate your circadian rhythm. High-intensity interval training, sheet, for an energy boost. Consistency is key. Pick an activity you enjoy and make it a non-negotiable part of your morning. Fueling your body with the right nutrients in the morning sets the tone for sustained energy and focus. Aim for a breakfast that balances protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Examples include a smoothie with spinach, banana, almond butter, and protein powder, scrambled eggs with avocado and whole grain toast, Greek yogurt with nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit. Avoid sugary cereals or pastries, as they can cause energy crashes later in the day. Instead, focus on foods that nourish both your body and brain. Before diving into work or school, take 5-10 minutes to plan your day. Use a journal or a planner to write down your top 3 priorities. Schedule your tasks and allocate time blocks for focused work. Identify potential challenges and brainstorm solutions. Planning helps you approach the day with clarity and purpose, reducing stress and boosting productivity. Starting your day with mindfulness can significantly improve your focus, emotional regulation, and overall sense of well-being. Even 5 minutes of meditation can reduce anxiety, enhance self-awareness, improve your ability to concentrate. Use a meditation app or simply sit quietly, focusing on your breath. If meditation isn't your thing, Consider practicing mindfulness by savoring your morning coffee or taking a moment to observe your surroundings. Your mindset shapes your actions. Before you begin your day, set a positive intention. This could be as simple as, today, I will approach challenges with curiosity and patience, or I will prioritize kindness in all my interactions. Repeat your intention to yourself or write it down. This small act helps align your actions with your goals and values, creating a sense of purpose and direction. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of this guide on the scientifically best morning routine to fix your life. By staying engaged, you've already demonstrated a commitment to personal growth that sets you apart from the crowd. Now, it's time to take action. Comment below with, "I'm ready to take control of my future," to affirm your dedication. Share this video to inspire others. Imagine how many lives could change if more people embraced these habits. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to the channel. Think of it as your weekly appointment with the best version of yourself. Dive into our other videos to continue learning and growing. Take a deep breath. Today, you've taken a step closer to your potential. Don't stop now. Sit quietly for a moment. Reflect on what you've learned and visualize applying it in your life. Your transformation begins with one small step, and you just took it.